How to make your sketch move like a cartoon. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that we will simply open Google Chrome. Here you guys will open new tab. Now search for drawing to animation. Once you search for that, you guys will see first website, animated drawings meta. So simply click on that. Now accept the cookies. Here you guys will see upload photo. So simply click on upload photo. Now here we will simply upload our sketch or drawing. After that, wait for some second. Here you guys will see next. So simply click on next. Now it will start analyzing. So we will wait. Here you guys will simply click on next. Now wait. Now click again on next. Now it will add automatically bones to your sketch or drawing. So after that we'll simply click again on next. We will wait here. Here you guys can see animations, add animation. Also you guys can see all dance, funny, jumping, walking. So whichever animation you want to add to your character, simply click on that. For example, I want to add walking, so I'll simply click on that. And now here we go, my cartoon sketch and drawing was walking. So that's how you guys can do that. For saving that, simply click on share, and after that click on save to my files. Also you guys can share it on any social platform. Thanks for watching.